24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Digraphs. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Phonics is an important skill to develop reading and decoding. It helps to bring fluency in reading. Learning objectives. Students should be able to recognize the digraphs, understand the sound of digraphs, say the sh, ch, the digraphs correctly, identify words that begin with sh, ch, the. Recall. Write different blends on the board. Tell the students that in CVC words we have one vowel, such as bat, met, bin, dog, sun. Introduction. Explain to your students that they will be learning about consonant blends that come together to make a different consonant sound. These are called consonant digraphs, where two consonants combine to make one new sound. Read. Write these words on the board and read aloud with the whole class. Chair, chest, check, shoe, shampoo, shark, them, thumb, thin, etc. Recognition. When the students develop good understanding of the concept of digraph as a beginning sound, introduce them to digraphs as an ending sound. Read the given words on the board and read lunch, bench, brush, push, tooth, bath. Review. Make flashcards of the digraphs and then draw the pictures on the board. Ask the students to pick the correct digraph and paste it in front of the picture. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.